Hello mga ka-wonder, is Ria with you again at kayo po ba ay nakapunta na ng Abra? Kung saan makikita nyo ang mga antique na gamit ng Dubai before, mga different kinds of classic clothes. Kung hindi pa po, samahan nyo ako at ako'y magre-recharge muna ng aking card para meron tayong pamasahe at tayo mag-enjoy at magsaliksik kung ano ang makikita natin dito sa Abra. So tara po, let's go! So sa mga bago po dito sa UAE, ganito lang po ang mag-recharge sa Nol card. Napaka-easy at napakadali lang po. Whether it is cash or card, acceptable po sa machine na yan. Kaya po, tara na! Nandito na tayo sa Rubayba bus station. Ayan. And actually, ito daw kasi yung daanan pang Bulso at saka yung maraming mga condiments. So, hindi ko alam. Puntahan natin kasi marami din daw dito makikitang magagandang place. So, tara, marami din akong natutunan na at saka nakitang mga bagong road. Especially yung papuntang there through Infinity Bridge na daanan namin at yung road ng 91, diba? Ang dami ko natutunan sa public transport talaga. So hanggat kumbaga natutuwa akong magko-commute muna ang lola mo. So yun muna, habang si King ay nasa magandang kamay. So let's go! As you can see guys, pakita ko sa inyo, ang daming lumilipad na ibon dito. Pero yung pupuntahan natin, hindi ko pa makita kung nasaan, but I almost there. But then, pakita ko muna sa inyo to. tayo dun sa mga bird. Yung pakay natin, yung pupuntahan natin, kung makikita natin. Kasi hindi ko rin sure eh. But as I remember, dito lang yun sa area ang yun to eh. Tsaka ano to, almost malapit, almost safe, safe na rin siya. I think this is the dead end of that area. So we'll see. Kasi before, dun tayo sa gitna dumaan eh. So ngayon, dito naman tayo from the start. Dahil nag-commute tayo. So yun. Tara. Then, may makikita kang mga restaurant here. If you want to unwind.
Yes, no.
I'll show you guys around. Hi. Hi. So, ayan. May mga restaurant. Which you can unwind. Meron din silang pasisya dito as you can see. So, meron din nagsisisya naman. The restaurant. Yung kind of boat na pwede mong sakyan. Ayan. Dito sila. We'll go to ang Innocent kasi ito yung makikita natin. Yung stations na papunta doon sa kabila, which is Derana. So kung gusto mong sumakay ng bangka, pwede ka dito sumakay using that Knoll card that I used to do in public transportation. So inside, kung anong makikita natin dito. But as you can see, this is the Grand Soup. Guys, I found the Grand Soup for Dubai, which is this one. So, ayan, tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin sa loob since medyo maaga pa naman. So, I hope you can see something in there. Let's go! Thank you so much kay Baba. That's my Baba here, which allowing me to take some photos inside of his store. As you can see, guys, it's very antique. And I want to show you this one, guys. It's a kind of different countries. They have this one. And as you can see us here, the typewriter, it's 1980s, I guess, or 70s, right? So all of the antique things you can find in here. Oh my God. I'll show you guys around. want to buy something antique in here, I can drop you the location of this store, and it's really, you can find everything in this store, the very antique things. So I will not video more further because Kuya is here and it's not allowed. Oh my God, everyone. As in, dito ka pala makakakita ng maraming antique. Not only on the first store, meron din pala dito, as you can see, guys. Oh, sorry. Then, meron din silang iba't ibang klaseng mga condiments. Lahat nandito na, mga tela, mga garments, damit, and everything. So, you can see from here, as you can see, guys. So na guys, at very, very less price. Not the same with the other store na makikita ninyo. At ang ganda naman, promise. I'll show you guys around. I got here too. They have tender home as well as this. Parang hindi ko bet. So, ayun. Thanks, Kuya. For tea or for what? You just have to boil these things? Thank you. So may mga dresses akong nakita and mga pabangong ganyan. Ayan, oh. Here in Gansu. Unfortunately, ang cutie. Let's check this out kung may makikita tayo maganda at mura ka na food. Bought some, and there's a lot that you can buy from here. I actually bought something for me, and medyo kuripo talaga ako eh. Hindi, kuripo talaga ako, I admitted that. But at least ayun, binigay naman ni Kuya.